Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Chengalpet.
For admissions, contact 9688 999 811 801 73730
Kalumpung Ilakai Kabalatip 28 Chief Minister District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet, West Khasi Hills District. Kabalane alay singilenter kalapoy no asakabakut haka arpwe trek uya yong arjar apulai. Ya kabalapan ha perda naka Additional Deputy Commissioner Jongko West Khasi Hills kakong bibla kabalalongkom kakong san. Hakani kalumpung mentau snem ka School St. Peter Higher Secondary School Pendang Ray. Kalayo khuru ya ka best team habro arbenta kata hakalyang jong kintay bat kishenrang. Kadbay ka nam best match pass layora daga School GNV Nongston. Mentau snem arjar apulai. Kidang hado siejar arngut kinoi shimenta kibakan thup egi shenrang wat kintay. Haki lightly kerdan kata haka under 14, under 16, but under 17. Naki arpun rutu ligi school kibadan hapok district. Hakani kasi la sakilang daga District School Education Jongko West Khasi Hills kakong LCM u Assistant Director ka Sports and Youth Affairs ka Sorkar Jala uba PB War Nongbri ka District Sports Officer Jongko West Khasi Hills kakong Balarina CM bat kiwi-kiwi.
A 3-day program for the organization and for bringing out too many participants. As I am told, there are 26 schools from the district who have participated with 1,002 participants in the various fields. So I congratulate each and every one of you who have participated in this program. For each of those who are in the different fields, for each of those schools who are here to participate, this is also a platform for selecting the athletes that will be taken to the state level. So I think, as has been information given to me by the district sports officer, this is also a platform for the different athletes to shine from the district level to the state level and perhaps even to the national level. So I wish each and every one of you all the very best.
With the placard bearer Nathaniel Solang, the flag bearer Oda Wansha Sanglin. Following Anderson is Borsing Memorial Secondary School from Nongpendeng Nongston, a very close neighbor to this venue. With the placard bearer ability, and here is Mount Hermon Academy Nongston on the placard.
In the March past, so much enthusiasm in the district.
So many of our young athletes. So as we lower the flag today, for this grand success of this 28th Chief Minister District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet 2023 in West Khasi Hills District. So we come to a close to this event, and I declare that this event is closed. So wishing all the very best for those who are going forward to the state level.